I have a recording of my child complaining about my ex. Can I use it? That's the question that was posed to us. My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. It's an interesting question of whether or not the recording can be used. You've got an element there of an evidentiary issue. Different states have different rules regarding to what degree such a recording can be used. If one person records a conversation between two other people, this may violate certain state and local and federal statutes. But there's a different issue, and the different issue is, let's say you can get rid of all that. Will that play out favorably before the court? A lot of courts don't like that. A lot of courts do not like directly involving the child in saying good things or bad things about a parent. They regard it as abusive and manipulative. And the judge may look at this and think that it is harmful and completely inappropriate. In other words, it could really backfire against the one who's bringing that in and saying, Judge, here's my 7-year-old saying bad things about my ex. That's not going to play out that well. When you have these kind of instincts to bring in some, smut about your ex or your child, speaking down on your ex, resist that temptation. Instead, focus on what's in the best interest of the minor child and focus why your life, your format, the way you do things, the way you're scheduled, the way you conduct yourself is consistent with servicing the best interest of the child. That's what you should focus on. Not sitting your child up in a chair and saying, okay, I'm going to say go. And when I say go, you start saying bad things about dad. 1, 2, 3, go. We don't want to do that. That's an awful manipulative thing. If the court finds out that that is not spontaneous and you set that up, the day the court finds that out is the day you start losing your custody case. So let's not do that. Let's instead focus on what's in the best interest of the child and why you service those needs best. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248